नमस्कार दोस्तों, आपका अपने चैनल मनोज गुप्ता एकेडमी में आपका स्वागत है। दोस्तों आज हम लोग क्लास 9 के ज्योग्राफी में लेसन नंबर 9 ट्रेड इस लेसन का एक्सरसाइज करने वाले हैं। सो फ्रेंड्स, अभी तक आप लोगों ने इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब और चैनल लाइक कीजिए और अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर। फ्रेंड्स, आप लोग इस वीडियो को अच्छी तरीके से देख करके अच्छी तरीके से सुन करके भी इसके क्वेश्चन आंसर बाइट कर सकते हैं। ये है लेसन नंबर 9 ट्रेड, उसका एक्सरसाइज कर लेते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, क्लासिफाई द ट्रेड टेकिंग प्लेस बिटवीन फॉलोइंग रीजन्स। फर्स्ट, महाराष्ट्र एंड पंजाब, internal trade. Second, India and Japan, external trade. Third, Lasalgaon and Pune, internal trade. Fourth, China and Canada, external trade. Fifth, India and European Union, external trade. Now next question. Question number 2, write the correct word import and export for the following. First, India buy crude oil from the Middle East Asian countries. Import. Second, wheat is sent to Asian countries from Canada. Export. Third, Japan sends machine part to OPEC countries. Export. Now next question. Question number 3, correct and rewrite the wrong statements. First, India is a self-sufficient country. The answer is India is not a self-sufficient country. Now next. Second, the place where there is excess production does not have demand for those products. The answer is the place where there is excess production does supply goods to other places. Now next. Third, international trade processes are easier than local trade. The answer is international trade processes are relatively difficult than local trade. Now next. Fourth, SAARC works toward economic development and enhancing the social and cultural harmony of the Southeast Asian countries. The answer is SAARC works toward economic development and enhancing the social and cultural harmony among the South Asian countries. Now next question. Question number 4. Identify and write the type of trade. First, Srushti brought sugar from the grocery shop. The answer is retail trade. Second, the traders from Surat bought cotton from the farmers of Maharashtra. The answer is domestic trade. Third, Samir has exported pomegranates from his farm to Australia. The answer is international trade. Fourth, Sadabhav bought 10 sacks of wheat and 5 sacks of rice from market yard for selling in his own shop. The answer is wholesale trade. Now next question. Question number 5, write answer in shorts. First, create a flow chart showing the types of trade. There are 2 types of trade on the basis of quantities of goods, on the basis of the extent of trade region. 2 types on the basis of quantities of goods, wholesale trade, retail trade. 2 types on the basis of the extent of trade region, domestic or internal trade and international trade. And 2 types of international trade, import and export. Now next. Second, explain the difference in type of balance of trade. The answer is first, when the value of imports is more than the value of exports, it is called unfavorable balance of trade. Second, when the values of exports is more than the values of imports, it is called favorable balance of trade. Third, when the values of exports and imports is almost the same, it is called balanced balance of trade. Now next question. Third, state the objectives of WTO. The answer is the objectives of the World Trade Organization WTO are as follows. First, to provide platform for negotiation in international trade. Second, to handle the difficulties related to trade. Third, to monitor the trade policies of member states. Fourth, to provide technological assistance and training to developing countries. Now next. Fourth, what is the difference between the OPEC and APEC in terms of their function? The answer is OPEC, APEC. OPEC first. OPEC is the organization of oil producing and exporting countries. APEC first. APEC is the regional organization of the countries in the Asia Pacific region. OPEC second, it keeps control over international trade in crude oil. APEC second, it promotes free trade and economic cooperation among the member countries. OPEC third, it keeps control on the production by the member countries and the rates of crude oil. APEC third, it encourages regional and technological cooperation among the member countries. OPEC fourth, it coordinates the activity and maintains consensus in export of crude oil. APEC fourth, it coordinates technical and economic cooperation among the member states. Now next. Fifth, write the functions of the important trade organization in Asia. The answer is Association of Southeast Asian Nations or ASEAN is an important trade organization in Asia. Its functions are as follows. First, to expand social and cultural harmony among with economic growth in Southeast Asia. Second, to promote regional peace. Third, to promote tax waivers for trade growth in member state. Now next, sixth, what is the importance of marketing from farmers' point of view? The answer is first, in the international marketing, the farmers used to sell their products in the local market at whatever price available. Since the fruits and vegetables are perishable goods, the farmers used to incur losses. Second, however, the progressive farmers have acquired skills in marketing. They are aware of the trend in market. They produce food, grains and fruits as per the international standards. Third, now they undertake grading and packaging of their products. The presentation of any product has become indispensable now. Fourth, they advertise the quality of their products and keep the same for sale along with samples in the mall. Fifth, they contact the supermarkets and exporters through internet. Sixth, as a result, their products are sold at higher price in the mall. They also fetch good price from the exports. Seventh, thus marketing is as important as cultivation of crops. By following modern marketing techniques, the income of the farmers will increase and that will improve their standard of living. Now next question. Question number 6. In the following table, export-import of the some countries in the year 2014-15 is given in million US dollars. Make a compound bar graph of the given statistical information. Read the bar diagram carefully and comment upon the balance of payment of the respective countries. यहाँ पे हमको क्या दिया गया, कंट्री, एक्सपोर्ट, इंपोर्ट, चाइना, इंडिया, ब्राजील, यूएसए. इसका हमको पहले कंपाउंड बार ग्राफ बनाना पड़ेगा. तो ये रहा हमारा कंपाउंड बार ग्राफ. अब इसको हमको एक्सप्लेन करना है. चाइना डिफरेंसेस +183 एंड ट्रेडर मैग्नीट्यूड 4103. इंडिया डिफरेंसेस -108, ट्रेडर्स मैग्नीट्यूड 652. ब्राजील डिफरेंसेस -51, ट्रेडर्स मैग्नीट्यूड 431. एंड आंसर ऑब्जर्वेशंस. फर्स्ट, China has favorable balance of trade. Second, India, Brazil and the USA have unfavorable balance of trade. Third, the volume of international trade of China and the USA is maximum. Fourth, international trade of India and Brazil is insignificant. Fifth, international trade is dominated by China and the USA. सो फ्रेंड्स, आज हमारा यहाँ पे लेसन नंबर 9 का एक्सरसाइज कंप्लीट हुआ. फ्रेंड्स, आप लोगों को ये वीडियो कैसा लगा आप लोग कमेंट बॉक्स में जरूर लिख करके बताइए. इस वीडियो को ज्यादा से ज्यादा लाइक कीजिए, अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर कीजिए ताकि उनको भी क्वेश्चन आंसर मिल सके और इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. नमस्कार दोस्तों.